Now the next topic is arithmetic mean. That is noted by AM. If small a, capital A, small b are three consecutive terms of an AP, then capital A is called arithmetic mean of the two numbers A and B. Now, what is the value of capital A? That is the arithmetic mean of A and B. As A, capital A and B are in AP, then by definition of AP, common difference between consecutive term is seen. Therefore, capital A minus A is equal to B minus capital A. So we get 2 times capital A is equal to A plus B. That gives capital A is equal to A plus B over 2. Therefore, AM of A and B is A plus B over 2. That is the case of when we have three consecutive terms, then the middle term is the AM of the terms at the end point. Now what about if we have to find an arithmetic mean? So we will discuss next how can we find an arithmetic mean between two terms. That is n arithmetic means between two numbers A and B. N means small n, that is natural number. Now let A1, A2, A3, A4, so on, An be the n arithmetic means between A and B. Now, if we see these are n terms and total terms are n plus 2. That is 1 and 2 terms are extra, so there are n plus 2 terms. Therefore, the first term is A and n plus 2 term is B. Therefore, T of n plus 2 will become A plus n is n plus 2 minus 1 D. As T n plus 2 is B, we get B is equal to A plus n plus 1 into D. Therefore, we get D is equal to B minus A over n plus 1. So, we get common difference. As we get common difference, now we can find second term, that is A1. Then A1 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1, that is A plus D. That is A plus B minus A over n plus 1. Now we can find A2. A2 is equal to A plus 2 times of D, that is A plus 2 times b minus a over n plus 1. Now proceeding in this manner, we get ak. ak will be a plus kd, that is a plus k times b minus a over n plus 1, where k is varying from 1 to n. Therefore, ak is the kth mean out of n means or n terms mean. That is, if we have to find a4 mean, we put here k by 4. So we will get the value of a4 mean. So this is the way to find out n arithmetic mean between two numbers. So we can find so many arithmetic mean between two given numbers. Now we will do problem based on arithmetic mean. So the problem is find for arithmetic mean between 8 and 23. Now the solution is, first of all we have to find D. Here A is 8, B is 23 and N is 4. We have to find 4 arithmetic mean. Therefore D is equal to B minus A over N plus 1. That gives the value 23 minus 8 over 5. That is 15 over 5, that is 3. So we get D is equal to 3. Now the first mean is A plus D, that is 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Now the second mean is A plus 2D, that is 8 plus 5 into 2 is 10, that is 18. Now the third mean is A plus 3D, that is 8 plus 5 into 3 is 15 is 3 into 3 is, here again we have D is equal to 3. So we get 8 plus 3 is equal to 11, 3 into 2 is 6, 8 plus 6 is equal to 14, 8 plus 9 is equal to 17, and fourth mean is A plus 4D, that is A plus 4 into 3, that is 12, that is A is 8 plus 12, that is 20. Therefore, 4 arithmetic mean between 8 and 23 are 11, 14, 17 and 20. So these are the 4 arithmetic mean between 8 and 23. Now the next problem is, which is based on arithmetic mean, if n arithmetic means are inserted between 1 and 31 such that ratio of n minus 1th mean to the 7th mean is 9:5, then find n. That is how many mean are inserted between 1 and 31. So, first of all we have to find D. Here A is 1, B is 31 and N is N. Therefore, D is equal to B minus A over N plus 1 become 31 minus 1 is 30 over N plus 1. Now we are talking about N minus 1th mean. That is A of N minus 1. That is A plus N minus 1 times D. And we are talking about 7th mean. That is A7. That is 1 plus 7 times D. 7 into 30 over N plus 1. Now according to given condition, we get A N minus 1 over A7 is equal to 9 over 5. Therefore, we'll substitute the value of A N minus 1, that is 1 plus N minus 1 over N plus 1 into 30 over 1 plus 7 into 30 is 210 over N plus 1 is equal to 9 over 5. Now we will solve it. That is, by taking LCM we get N plus 1 plus N minus 1 into 30 over N plus 1 is cancelled out by N plus 1 the denominator. N plus 1 plus 210 is equal to 9 over 5. That gives N plus 1 plus 30N minus 30 over N plus 211 is equal to 9 by 5. That is 31 minus 29 over N plus 211 is equal to 9 over 5. That is 5 into 31 N minus 29 is equal to 9 into N plus 211. That is 155 into N minus 145 is equal to 9N plus 1899. So we get 155N minus 9N is equal to 1899 plus 145. That gives 146 into N is equal to 2044. That gives N is equal to 2044 over 146. That gives, on dividing, we get N is equal to 14. So there are 14 means are inserted between 1 and 31.